nCamp wood-burning stove is about the size of a small book, but it unfolds into a stable cooktop. Just find a level surface, clear flammable debris, set up the stove, fill it with twigs, and light. Within minutes, the stove is hot enough to boil water or cook. Its top surface supports your cookware and provides a place to set utensils so they don't end up in the dirt. The stove is made of aluminum and stainless steel, making it light and durable. nCamp, pack small, adventure.
Engineered for outdoor or emergency use, the Etekcity water filter straw allows you to instant access to clean, drinkable water from almost any unfiltered freshwater source, including rivers, lakes, and tap water. This is how it works. Unfiltered water enters through the inlet piece and passes through an advanced double filtration system comprised of a hollow fiber UF membrane and antibacterial carbon filter, trapping 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, so you can enjoy fresh, safe drinking water. The water filter straw is built for wanderlust travelers, featuring a lightweight yet durable design so you can easily store it in your survival kit, camping gear, or hiking backpack. To increase your water capacity, the straw is compatible with standard threaded bottles and hydration reservoirs. A foldable water pouch for filtered drinking on the go is also included. To drink directly from a water source, remove the outlet cap, then submerge the inlet piece in the water and sip from the mouthpiece. If you can't directly reach the water source, use the extension tube to extend your reach. If you're trying to drink from a more turbid water containing contaminants, simply attach the included pre-filter to the inlet piece firmly before sipping. To clean the straw, fill the backwash device with clean water, then hold it against the mouthpiece while pushing the plunger down to wash the inner filtration system. Repeat as necessary. Whether you're camping, hiking, or amidst a natural disaster, the water filter straw provides pure drinking water whenever and wherever.
Hello, I'm Derek, creator of the Haven Tent. I love being in the outdoors, but I was frustrated that every great day spent outside would end with a miserable night. One day I was laying in a regular hammock and I had this idea. What if my head and feet were lower and if I didn't have pressure on my sides? From that spark, we developed and patented this revolutionary new system. The Haven sets up in minutes and creates a flat, open sleeping platform, no matter how you sleep, on your back, your side, or even your stomach. I designed the Haven tent with the goal of making sleep the highlight of camping. So wherever you go, a good night's sleep will follow.
Doing?
This is Thaddeus Reagan.
Captain Thaddeus here. We're going to go out and catch some fish and cook them on these solar grills. Get the GOSUN going today.
Yeah, I'm excited.
It's going to be fun.
He's shot 4, he got 3 in a row. Woo! Oh, now that is a big, healthy, happy bass.
Yeah, we stopped out on a little island out here in the glades. It's a great place to fillet up some fish, and we don't even have to start a fire. We're just gonna put the fish in the grill and let the sun do its job. Great to eat. This reminds me of when I was a kid fishing with my grandfather.
That's all these little ones. Then he changed all the matches.
That's some good stuff.
He's weird.
We're sharing it with our friends here.
Our new friends. What a great chance to fish out in the Everglades and learn from a master. Thad really does use his GOSUN every chance he gets, including when he's got guests on his boat.
Imagine going to the beach and having to carry all that stuff for grilling, like with the proper grill, with the charcoal and the fire and the lighter fluid. Why do you want to carry all that stuff to the beach? And plus, a lot of beaches or campsites don't even allow you to build fires anymore. So, I mean, why not take the GOSUN and eliminate all that? You save time. Your food is cooked in a more natural way. It doesn't have all the carcinogens in it. You're not putting smoke into the air. It's a lot simpler. I mean, there's so many reasons why I would rather just take the GOSUN to the beach.